everyone, today I am going to show how we can see the Earth in real time from our International Space Station. So let's start. Open browser, click on Kodi.tv. Here I am starting from the beginning so you can understand how to install Kodi. Who are new and don't know about Kodi, they can refer my article also. Here is Kodi.tv and you can see a website, official Kodi website. Now choose your weapon, and here my system is Windows 10, so I am going to install on Windows 10. Yeah, Windows 10 64-bit. I am going to click it and waiting for download. Download speed depend on your internet, so it's almost done here. Please don't forget to subscribe. Open, download. And run the setup. Here you can see set. By default I'm just clicking next, next. If you want to install in different folder or directory, you can select it from here and press next. There is folder and your directory, you can choose it from here where you want to install. Now click on next. Now setup is running. You can install Kodi on Raspberry Pi as a media center. If you wish to know more, you can go through my blog. It's almost done. Click to finish. Now open Kodi. Setup. Now here are the options. Here setting, select add-on. Here is the list of add-ons. We have to select video add-on, so I just click on add-ons. Now looking for video add-ons. Oh, here is National Geographic. I just want to install that one also, so I'm going to install that one also. That one, National Geographic, it's just quick. It's a quick. Now here is NASA. The plugin is running. It's showing this. Now they're asking for some options. I'm authorizing to install. It's also going to install in the background National Geographic and NASA. Yeah, you will get a notification when it is be done. As I can. Now here is endless list. Even you cannot browse everything. Kodi is such a beautiful thing. Kodi. Oh, one more YouTube I'm going to install. It's just for demo purpose. During installation it will ask some settings, because you have to run YouTube on Kodi, you just need to sign in with a Google ID. like you run on your cell phone. select language, location settings, etc, etc. For YouTube it is not required for our NASA or Earth view. Now to go on TV add-ons. Now here are our installed add-ons, video add-ons. Now run. Here you can see live streams. Go to live streams. Here it's taking time. Maybe my internet connection is little bit slow right now. Maybe disconnect. Of course it's a HD streaming, so and my net connection is not that much fast, so maybe it is taking time. Now here it is, you see it's a real time. You can see some parts of our ISS station. It is showing different views also. Presently where it is. It is cool thing. It is moving very slowly. In real it is moving very fast, but it seems here very slow. You can see. You can see Dubai beaches. Probably it's a Dubai beaches. Yeah. You can see the map. You can see the night view. You can see the in real how it looks like. Everything, it's a fantastic. It's really cool. Here the radiation you can see from the earth. Really, it's a very cool option. Downside, few options are there. It's showing live now. This is bookmark. If you wish you can add from here. Now this one, if you subtitle settings, here is settings. If you wish you can change as per your desire. It's really cool. You can see the Dubai beaches. Okay, I'm running it again. That's it for now. If you wish to know more about Kodi, the links are in the description. You can follow the link and go to my blog.